Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete a group on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a WhatsApp group, first open up your WhatsApp and make sure that guys you're an admin of the group which you want to delete. And you can see guys I had created a group earlier. At the top there is the demo2 group. Tap on that group, and from over here, in order to proceed guys, you'll be required to remove every member from that group. So to do that, at the top of the screen you can see the group's name. Tap on the group name, and from over here scroll down, and all of the members on your group will be over here, and you'll be required to remove everyone from over here. To do that, tap on their name, and there will be the remove that person over here just above the verified security code. Tap on remove, and again tap on OK. Do the same for every member on your group guys, and after that OK, and after that let's go back, and after that you will also be required to exit from that group. To do that, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface there is the three dotted icon. Tap on it and tap on the more, and from over here tap on exit group and tap on exit. And after that guys, come back over here on the chat box interface, where you will be able to delete it by tapping and holding on it, and there will be the delete icon or the dumpster icon at the top of the screen. Tap on the dumpster or the delete icon, and there is the also delete media received in this chat from the device gallery. Tap on it if you want it to happen on that group, and after that tap on delete group, and that group will be deleted from WhatsApp. And there guys, this is how to delete WhatsApp group. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.